Welcome to day 9 for the NCL Escape. In today's video, we're going to start out with breakfast at Oceanans, and then we're going to check out some kids' activities, including one of the only bowling alleys at sea. If you like content like this, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps the YouTube algorithms out. And if you're not already, please subscribe to our channel. Over 80% of our viewers are not currently subscribed, so if you're not already, please subscribe. We are going to try out Oceanans for breakfast this morning. Oceanans is a great breakfast option. The food is good and it's a lot less crowded than the buffet.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright, alright, 'cause I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free.
We are starting to pack and get ready since it's the second to last day of the cruise.
There you go. It's over. It's over.
We are thinking about where we're going to go for dinner tonight, but we haven't needed any reservations for any of the specialty restaurants on board this cruise. And if you're on the fence about getting a balcony cabin, if you're traveling with kids, I definitely recommend it. It's just a good space for them to go out and get some fresh air, and it's just well worth that extra space.
Okay, so since they don't have kids club for kids under 5 yet, they just sent us this little package of like stuff for the kids. So there's some t-shirts in here that are cute. 2 little flip-flops. Flip-flops, you want to try those on?
I don't.
Okay guys, let me help you here. And look what she brought for you. She said this is for Kennedy.
Oh, my ring.
Oh, ring.
All right, we made it to dinner. And some much needed wine after a lazy sea day of doing absolutely nothing. And just remember, wine is included as part of the drink package. This was amazing. It was one of the best things I had in the main dining room all cruise, and it was a shrimp paella. Comment down below what was your favorite thing you ate in the main dining room on your cruise. Are those good clams? She hasn't had a nap today and she thinks she's a cat. A mouse.
She thinks she's a cat.
And the staff aboard the NCL Escape was very nice. They always did something special for the kids. We are back in the room. The kids are going to color their t-shirts. When we go relax on the balcony for a few minutes, and then we're going to take them to the arcade.
Alright, we're about to go bowling for our first time ever at sea on the Norwegian Escape. So it is, if you're wondering about the bowling alley, it is $6.55.
Okay, so you can put the bumpers up for the kids. Wow, you did it. This is such a unique and fun activity aboard a cruise ship for the kids, especially on a sea day. And the bowling alley does have a self-leveler on it, so even though the ship moves, the bowling alley stays level. You love bowling?
Yeah.
Wow.
You winning.
Yeah.
You're out here enjoying this beautiful sunset. Hold on tight. So we thought that the only arcade on the ship was the one in Oceanans, but there's actually a dedicated arcade that's massive on deck 17. So they actually took out Margaritaville and replaced it with this American Diner. I was reading that the licensing deal expired and they didn't want to renew it because it wasn't full all the time and it wasn't profitable. I'm not too sure the reason why, but I don't really dig the American Diner concept. I wish they would just have kept Margaritaville. It's so much more of a vibe than the American Diner. This was the American Diner seating area that used to be Margaritaville, and as you can see, those are the chairs that were in Margaritaville. Basically, all they did was change the sign. They kept all the same furniture. We're just cracking up because we don't know how we're gonna get everything.
I don't know whether or not I can vacuum seal anything in Iceland because I don't know if the van place is gonna have a vacuum or not. Yes, that's it.
I highly recommend vacuum sealing your clothes. It creates a lot more space in your luggage. We're gonna go ahead and end day 9 here. Tomorrow's our last day, day 10, and we're going to Pisa, Italy. And then after that, we are heading to Iceland. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Good night.